Hi, this is Juliana. I want to talk to you about immunity. One of the best ways that we can stay healthy is to keep our immune system up. It's super important. Of course, things like eating right, getting plenty of sleep, keeping our toxic load to a minimum, those are all parts of that are helping keep our immune system strong. And one of the ways we do this with essential oils is the OnGuard product. It's so important that they have a whole line of products all with OnGuard in them. So let me tell you why OnGuard is why it's so special and what makes it so powerful. It kills 17 airborne viruses. That's a big deal. They're using it of course, Vanderbilt did a great study on it. But it's being used and diffused in a lot of hospitals, schools, places where there are a lot of people that get sick because it's killing the germs in the air and the viruses in the air. It's just amazing. So one of the things in it that makes it do that is the clove. It's one of the highest, if not the highest, antioxidant in the world in the plant kingdom. And so clove is in this, cinnamon, wild orange, that's what's in this. So it works, it's potent. You can even, oh, it smells wonderful. So you smelled it a little bit in the toothpaste this morning, but you can take a couple of drops and put it in your hand and smell it. And of course, right now I've killed all those germs on my hand, and it's going to keep on. We have a version of it. There's a spray, and you spray this on your hands instead of Purell or those other hand sanitizers, and it's going to keep on killing germs for hours afterward. And the best thing about this, is it's not like Purell that kills the bad bacteria and the good bacteria. We need the good bacteria for our immune system to keep it strong, right? So what OnGuard does is it kills just the bad and it keeps the good because it works. Remember, essential oils work with our body systems to keep our body strong. And so that's what OnGuard does. It kills just the bad, leaves the good. That's awesome. So, spray doorknobs. In fact, I've heard that viruses will stay on the doorknob for 24 hours after a sick person touches it. So I spray this on in the shopping buggies or in the airplane. Anything, if anybody's been sick, they're touching things, spray it. I love these things. I have multiples of these. Anyway, OnGuard comes in this. And so OnGuard comes in these little beadlets. This is another way on the go. So these are little tiny, I don't know if you can see these, but they're little. Can you see that little tiny, so then you put these in your mouth, and there's a quarter of a drop of OnGuard in every one of these. So if you're out shaking a bunch of hands, or if you're on a trip and you think you feel like you're coming down with something, you've got this right with you, and just pop one of these or I do 2 or 3 every hour when I feel like I've got something coming on if I'm on a trip. And then goes on one more. If you do feel like you're really coming on with something, of course, OnGuard, like I said, this put on the bottom of your feet, gargle with it. You can even take this internally because it says supplement facts on the side, so you can take this internally. Take 2 to 3 drops in a gel capsule along with some other oils that I'll tell you at another time. But anyway, there's that. But you can also, there's an OnGuard gel caps, and they actually have antiviral in them. There's a couple of oils in there that, like Melissa, that are antiviral. So if you feel like you got something, those OnGuard gel caps are amazing. So another thing is, you got the gel, the foaming hand wash. It comes in a big bottle, and then you could put it in 2 or 3 of your foaming around your house, and you've got the OnGuard foaming hand wash, and then cleaner concentrate. So this makes 16 quarts of cleaner. So you can have this for a long time. You make your own cleaning spray, countertops. You can put it in a bucket and clean your floors with it, and you don't have to worry about, babies and pets walking on a floor that's got all those toxic chemicals in it. Remember, a lot of the chemicals that are in cleaning supplies in the United States are extremely dangerous and toxic, and hormone disruptors, cancer-causing, all those bad things. None of that with this. And then they also have a washing. You can wash your clothes. There's a clothes washing soap. So anyway, you get the idea. They want you to kill germs naturally. They want you to keep your body healthy so that you can stay strong and combat the germs and viruses. So that's what OnGuard's for. I love these things, and they make great gifts to give to people, especially ones who aren't very good at staying well. College kids, send them with a couple of these, and the hand wash. All schools should have these in them. I really do believe every house should have these, and it's so inexpensive. I mean, $6.50 for this, and who knows how long it lasts? Long time. $14 for this, and it's 16 quarts. So don't think that it has to be expensive to work well. It doesn't. These are great products, and they work awesome. Anyway, that's enough. I don't want to go on and on. I just want you to understand that OnGuard's amazing, and it's one of the basic oils that we have with doTERRA, and everybody who really wants to stay healthy has OnGuard products in their house. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow, and let's see what's tomorrow. Let's see. Sorry about that. 3, 4. Oh, clary sage. So enjoy, and we'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy. Bye-bye.